Hello, and welcome to the LEED certifications presentation by Neil Horahan and Thomas Bliss. In today's world, the environment is becoming much more important to people, and much concern is being put into pollution in the commercial, residential, and industrial industries, as well as energy consumption in residential and commercial buildings as well. All of this concern is in great part to lessen our world's carbon footprint and to live in a happier, greener community that benefits the environment as well as the people living in it. One of the major ways the built environment is trying to lessen the carbon footprint in the world is the LEED rating system, created by the United States Green Building Council in March of 2000. This system provides building owners and operators with a framework for identifying and implementing practical and measurable green building design, construction, operations, and maintenance solutions. The system is used more in commercial buildings throughout the country, but can also be seen in residential homes as well. Within these guidelines created by the USGBC are 8 goals that are ideal to be reached to receive the highest rating possible in the LEED system. The first is innovation in design process, which deals with hiring green builders and designers to implicate green aspects into the infrastructure correctly. The second deals with the location of the infrastructure, if building new, which includes building in a responsible way to the greater community. The LEED system also looks at sustainable sites with protecting against erosion and maintaining surface water on sites, which is a huge part affecting our overall environment today. Another area the LEED system looks at is water efficiency, which includes reusing water, installing appliances that use less water, and finding a good use for gray water around a home or building, all which can conserve resources and help out our world and environment in the long run. LEED also looks at to see if builders incorporate saving energy and helping the atmosphere into their homes or buildings, which is a major part in bringing the built environment back to sustainability and helping out our world's atmosphere. LEED also looks at the materials used to construct a building or home. Most of these materials should be recycled, environmentally friendly, or Energy Star rated, and are a big part in the built environment and cutting down on resources. Next, LEED looks at the indoor air quality of the finished home or building for health purposes and ventilation, as well as to satisfy the end user. Finally, the USGBC and LEED look at how to educate the homeowner on operating the LEED rated home and to make sure they keep up with the sustainable methods implicated into the home and further help the environment in the future. The LEED system does not only have to apply to new construction, but owners of homes already built can switch to more green ways to help receive LEED certification. This can be done by installing more insulation to save warm and cool air and thus save overall energy. Also, toilets that use less water can be a major contribution to a green home, as well as energy-saving light bulbs that all help cut down on resources and not only save energy, but also save money on bills. Also, anyone can go out and buy a carbon monoxide detector to help with indoor air quality and be a real lifesaver in the long run. Another easy step towards being green within a home or building is converting to Energy Star rated equipment, including appliances, roof shingles, and furnaces. All that can save electricity, energy, and water and really help out the built environment move towards sustainability. Commercial buildings, however, are the biggest contender thus far in adapting the LEED standards, including Genzyme in Cambridge, Massachusetts, which has a platinum-rated LEED building with all of its windows and energy savers, which is a huge stepping stone in turning the commercial spectrum into a greener place. In the future, more buildings in urban areas will start to adapt these LEED certifications, just like Genzyme, and turn urban areas, which has the worst energy levels today, some of the best in the future. Although to reach LEED certification buildings or homes can cost quite some money, it is well worth it and cost effective, with saving electricity and heat and thus making our environment and world a happier place. Builders across the country are starting to adapt these LEED guidelines for new homes and buildings, and soon enough, our world will be a cleaner and happier place to live in for all.